just don't understand me. Screaming I'm a good man, but lately I'm finding out I really am angry. And truth be told, I'm just trying really hard not to hate me, so I block it out. Can never let you find out what my black heart is all about. It makes me even more mad, I'm too ashamed to say I'm sad. I know you hate my lies, disguised for all the ugly pain inside. Disassociate, so I ad-lib, telling sad fibs. But baby, this boy behind this mask is just afraid to live. Yeah, you're talking TikTok and memes, I don't even know what they mean, but you make me feel like everything is alright. You're worth the fight to say I'm yours every day and every night. In this darkness, you're my only light. Craving for attention is a lesson I fail to grasp. Everything I do, it's not for me, it's always for someone else. It feels like we're talking two different languages, but the strange thing is we translate the same anguish. You're the yin to my yang, you're my everything. Without you in my life, I'm so bitter, fighting with my strife. I can't contain it, this anger's really out of world, so cold. But when I look at you, my poker face melts. Yeah, all my cards fold. I know I ramble on like a mad scientist, climbing ladders that don't exist. A jack of all trades, but I'm faded, trying to make a life that's better for the two of us. But I feel like I'm never good enough. You grab my hand and tell me I'm amazing, but I push away, keeping my heart at bay. I hate that I'm so rough, but I'm still learning how to love myself. Better days, better days. I promise that I'm changing to a better person. Better days, better days. I'm rearranging into a better version. Better days, better days. So don't give me up, I'm only one phase away from better days, better days. I'm obsessing, getting lost in all my crazy passions. I self-sabotage like it's never going out of fashion. You'll always be my biggest fan. When I'm feeling weak, you still choose to see me as the world's tallest, strongest man. No matter how many sets in the gym I do, when I'm next to you, my smile will always be my biggest flex. I get so angry when I try to help myself, signing up to see a therapist just to see I'm on a long waiting list. To let a stranger in a room watch me lick my wounds, so I self-medicate, feeling so irate. Now we spiral into heated big debates, but you see right through the demons locked behind my gates. You just want me to hold you, but I got a damaged brain with the screw loose. Guess that's from childhood abuse. I know you're touch-starved, so am I. We have the same scar. In the past, open arms didn't exist, just raised fists that left me feeling so torn. In my field of black roses, you cut yourself with the same thorns. I'm sorry I make you cry and mourn. It's a habit I'm trying to unlearn so we can see better days, better days. I promise that I'm changing to a better person. Better days, better days. I'm rearranging into a better version. Better days, better days. So don't give me up, I'm only one phase away from better days, better days. I know I struggle with addiction, but it's really just a symptom of my brain displacing all my damn pain. Oh, comatose, but you're the only high I love most of all. Pick me back up on this pedestal every time I fall, crawling up this wall. Sometimes I'm scared I'll end up like my dad, a disconnected man all alone, no family to call my own. But your eyes are the keys to my home sweet home. I know I say I hate it when you're so sassy, but it doesn't come close to my head that's so damn messy. How can you stand me when I take us down this bumpy ride? I know I tend to overanalyze, so this time I'll just simplify. I will always love you till